Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study SST without notes. First, focus on understanding the core concepts thoroughly, rather than just memorizing facts. Actively engage with your textbooks and other learning resources. Practice recalling information regularly to solidify your knowledge. Finally, utilize visual aids and mind maps to connect ideas and see the bigger picture. This approach helps build a strong foundation. When reading, approach each chapter with a specific question or purpose in mind. Highlight only the most important key terms and main ideas, avoiding excessive marking. After completing a section, take a moment to summarize it mentally in your own words. This active engagement helps you internalize the material. Always try to connect new information to what you already know, building a stronger mental framework. To enhance your memory, employ spaced repetition for challenging topics, reviewing them at increasing intervals. Try explaining concepts aloud to yourself or a study partner. Teaching is a powerful learning tool. Create vivid mental images or short stories to link facts together, making them easier to recall. Regularly test your knowledge with practice quizzes or flashcards to identify areas needing more attention. The final step involves applying your knowledge. Actively solve practice questions and past examination papers to understand question patterns. Discuss topics with study partners to gain different perspectives and clarify doubts. Relate abstract concepts to real-world examples, making them more tangible and memorable. Consistently review any challenging areas you identify during practice to ensure comprehensive understanding and retention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.